Yo, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a sword. Yeah, so let's just start. So the first step is actually just getting the sword. Like I made here one. I'm almost done. Just decrease this part in size. Oh my god, bro, did I just really just do this? I don't know, man. I'm just doing some stuff. Press on 3. It's a near and to duplicate this. Move it up. So this is my sword. I'm gonna union it. So if you can't make a sword and yours looks ugly or something, you can just steal it from someone else. I mean, no big deal. I search it up, cool sword, and yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, this is literally a cool sword. Look at it. It literally says in the name. Okay, click on OK. Click on no. So the only thing that you want from this sword, but why is it selecting my union, bro? The only thing that you want is actually the handle. So just delete every script, just everything else. Get the handle, delete everything inside of the handle. So this is the mesh part. We're gonna do this. Delete everything inside of it. So this is the sword itself, no scripts, no sounds, and this is my sword. I'm just gonna actually upgrade mine a bit, just 5 seconds. Alright, so I've just colored every single part of the sword. I'm gonna union this. Oh my gosh, bro, what, are you serious? What? Oh, is this like 2 parts? Yeah, right. I'm gonna union this. So basically, right now just get a tool. By the way, my recording has been better. Look. Um, ah, shit. As you can notice, my screen recording quality is way better than the previous videos. I've just changed some settings in my recording thing, and it's better. I hope I'm gonna see after I record this video. So just insert a tool. I'm not gonna use this part, by the way. I'm just gonna use mine and just put the handle inside of the tool. I mean the sword, the tool inside of the tool. Name this to handle. Why handle? Because like Roblox needs to know what you are holding. Like I mean where you need to hold it. You can also just insert multiple parts, like multiple meshes, and you need to glue them together like what constraint. Like I'm gonna what? Oh damn, that's crazy. Alright, so this is the touch and stress. You should see that after like a couple of seconds. So right now you just need to yeah, we're gonna code. So let's just pick a script and a local script. So in the local script, you should know what a local script is. Go watch my tutorial about that. Local player equals game.players.local player. We're getting the player that holds this that has the tool, you know. So and also we need the tool. Local tool equals script.parent. So the tool, the variable that we made is this script, but its parent, which is basically tool. By the way, rename this tool like whatever you want. Diamonds sword. Diamonds sword. Alright, so we're gonna do 2 things, like tool dot equip. So when the tool equips, gonna connect a function to it. So when the tool equips, we want to get a couple of sounds. I'm gonna steal this from someone. Just put it back in place. Go to audio and just equip sword. So when we equip the sword, right? This is yeah, it's a good one, I guess. I mean, sure. Alright, I'm gonna get this one. Sword equip. Put it inside of the tool. And we also need a sword, like this swing. I'm gonna search up sword. Nah, bro. Nah, I'm gonna go down actually. Nah, this is a line. Chill. Bro, a simple one. Bro, didn't we literally just have this one? Bro, what? Bro, are you serious? Alright, so I'm gonna find this. After you found your good sword, rename them sword slash or sword swing equals is cool. Insert a folder. Insert actually 4 folders. I know this a lot. Just duplicate them with Ctrl D. The first one you're gonna call sounds. The second one you're gonna call events. The third one, it doesn't even matter which order. You're gonna call anims, and the fourth one you're gonna call numbers or values. This is not advanced, dude. This is very simple. It's very simple. Just put the sounds in the sounds folder. In the events, we're gonna put one remote event. In the values, we're gonna put a number value, and we're gonna rename this one to damage and to cooldown. So this is the damage of the sword. I'm gonna do it like 10 or 69 because I'm cool. And the okay, I'm just gonna do it then for simplicity. And the cooldown is gonna be 1 second. Okay, man, come on. So we have the remote event that we're gonna use to say, hey, hello, you need to damage someone that's touching him, you dumbass, to the script. And wait, why am I not adding a script? Well, I'm not gonna do it. Never mind. And we need values to say how much damage and the cooldown and animations. So I actually have already made an animation because I re-recorded this 50 different times, bro. Literally, because my recording did some bagwash shit, like the settings. I couldn't pause my recording. I found eventually an Indian guy who could help me on YouTube. Come on, man. Select this thing. Just make the animation. Like this is how it starts at 0, because this is how you're holding a tool. Go up and then down like this. And then at 0.7 or something, just go here again. So this is how you're gonna swing it. Yeah, I already actually made one, so I can literally just import that. Oh wait, I actually do not want you guys to see my animations. Wait 5 seconds. Alright, so I import the animation. It's actually the exact same, bro. What the hell am I yapping about? So basically, name your animation swing one, I guess. Click on these 3 dots, set it to action so it doesn't look like this for some reason, because yeah, it's gonna be really stiff. Set the priority to action. Then publish it to Roblox. I mean, yeah, that's it. Name the thing, no description, no one cares. You need to set it the owner of the game, and I'm the owner of my own game. Then save it. Then I'm not gonna save it, it's gonna waste my space. Then you can copy the asset ID. You can literally just do it like this, copy it, or 30-second copy thing. You can just click on it and set asset copied. Man, alright. Alright, after you got the animation, paste the ID. Wait, grab an animation right here. Name the animation like swing. Alright, so then then you actually need to paste the ID of the animation inside of the animation ID. If you somehow didn't copy it, you can literally just go to toolbox, click on your own stuff. Hey yo, chill! Don't show my models, bro. Alright, and then just click on my animations. I'm working on a secret project, so you cannot see the name of the animation. Thank you. Yeah, and then you can just left click, I think. Yeah, no, it's right click. And then it's say copy animation ID, and then you just paste it in here. Man, my neck, whatever. I'm just gonna drink water. Alright, so back to the local script. Animation.equipped. I mean tool.equipped. Tool. So if the tool is equipped, .sounds .sword equip. Play. Alright, so if the tool is equipped, we're gonna go to this tool, the sounds folder. So the tool, the sounds folder, the sound itself, and then we're gonna play the sound. This happens if you equip the tool. We're gonna right now do tool.activated. So when you click the tool while you hold it, so tool.activated, connect function, like this. So, oh wait, it didn't work for us, bro. Do it again. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'd accept. Never mind. Do not do that. Do not listen to this dumbass. Do tool.sounds.sword swing this time, because when you click it, you swing. Play. And also tool.anims. What was it? Oh, the animation is called swing. Then. Oh wait, by the way, no, I made a great mistake. Okay, this actually was a good mistake. Local animation get the anim, swing anim equals tool.anims.swing. Local swing anim track. So you cannot just play an animation. You know why? Because the Roblox needs to know on what character or what rig you're gonna play the animation on. So that's why we need to make a track of the animation, and that's gonna be the player that we got. So the player that has the tool, its character, its humanoid, and then we're gonna double dot load animation, everything capitalized, just the exact same. So we're gonna go to the player that has a tool. We're gonna get a character of him because the player is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you later, alright? So this is the player, and the character is actually the thing inside of the workspace. So that's what we're gonna get. Inside the character, it has a humanoid, and on that we're gonna load the animation, alright? And now you just need to say what kind of animation. Swing anim, this one. Now we can do swing anim track play. So this should work. Oh wait, by the way, just put this one inside of starter pack. It's very important so you have it in your inventory. Woo! Before you actually load the game, go to your handle, search up A and C, put calculate and anchored off. It's very important. Alright. So now we can just run the game. Load in, right? That diamond sword. Look. Whoa, okay, the sound is off, but look. You hear it? It works. So, the animation is not working, right? And it's holding it very wrong, but we're gonna get to it later. The animation is not working. Well, I'm just gonna say why. Wait 5 seconds. I'm just gonna do this. So, oh my gosh, are you serious? So you made the animation on this guy with 6 blocks. How do you expect it to work on a guy with 15 blocks? If you made the animation on the R15, it's not gonna work on this. If you make an animation on this, it's not gonna work for this. It's very simple, and we made it on the blocky one. So what we need to do? Come on, man. Oh, apparently I cannot delete my. Why can I not? Am I even recording? Yeah. Why can I not delete this? What happened, bro? By the way, anyway, just go to game settings. I'm gonna name this sword. Oh my god, sword sorry tuts Oreo. Go down, never mind. Go to avatar. Set it to R6 or player's choice, but then it won't work on the player that has an R15. So then just save it. Yeah, but get out, bro. Can I right now delete it? No, I cannot delete. Can I delete this? So this rig has been invincible. He has been god, but whatever. Just click on play. Now you should be in R6. Look, 6 block, and now let's go. I worked. There are a couple of things we need to fix. First of all, we would actually relaunch it. The way it's holding it, it's literally holding it on the sword, like it's gonna cut itself. The fix for that is, this is the character of your player. This is a humanoid. Go inside here. So this is the tool that's holding it, right? Search up grip inside of it when you select the tool, and then go to the position and just move it 1 up. No, never mind. Just do -1. Just find what is good. I mean, yeah, this could work. The orientation, you can even do it like 180. I mean 90. 90. Whatever you want, man. Like this. Look. So when you're done with that, you need to copy the position. You cannot copy both at the same time because Roblox has just wants to ruin your life. And man, come on, delete this. I don't want any backups. I'm not a loser. Then just go inside your tool, go on the grip, and just paste it in here. That's what's basically it. That's how you fix the grip. So the second problem was the timing and stuff. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, click on here. So the timing was off. It was playing it way too early. So we're gonna add a simple task dot wait 0.5. Damn, this should get the timing right. Still printer, no head lower. Let's go. Alright, this way too off, but it basically works, alright? So now what are a couple of things. It doesn't damage the player, and it doesn't have you can literally spam it. So how we are gonna fix this is very simple. The cooldown run is actually really simple. We're gonna do a local wherever you want it, alright? A equals false or true. You do it false for the sake of this tutorial. Local cooldown equals 2.values.cooldown dot value. What this basically means, we're gonna go to the tool, the values folder, the cooldown thing, and then the value is 1. So if you type 2, it's gonna be 2 seconds is the cooldown. That's basically it. I mean, yeah, that's kind of it. So tool activated if a or you know what, this is actually a debounce, debounce, but I just call it a because so it's like very simple, very quick debounce. So if debounce equals to false, then we're gonna run all of this, and if it's not false, that basically means it's true. Nothing will happen if you click the tool. So if it's false, we're gonna set the debounce to true, and then we're gonna wait, actually task.wait cooldown, which is 1 minus 0.5, because you already waited 0.5 seconds, so we need to subtract it, you know. And if your cooldown is like 1 second, 0.4 seconds, it's gonna go into negatives. Woohoo, yeah, okay, just don't glitch out the game, alright? Then we're gonna set the debounce to false. So what this basically does, oh, the debounce is false, right? We're gonna make it true, so you cannot spam it. We're gonna wait a half a second, then we're gonna wait another half second, because 1 minus a half second is half a second, so this adds up to 1 second. And then we're gonna set it to false, and then if you click it, it will work again. That's basically how it works. So I was yapping a lot, but just click on play, and that's it. Alright, I'm spamming it. Look, the timing is quick. I'm literally spamming it. Alright, so that already worked. I'm actually clicking on timing. It is actually way too late. We're gonna make the timing a bit better. I'm gonna do like 0.3 and minus 0.3, because we already waited 0.3. Now we need to wait to damage a player. So what we're basically gonna do, local event or local RE stands for remote event equals tool dot events dot remote event. So this basically means RE stands short for remote event. I don't want to yap a lot, which I'm already doing, but yeah, that's basically what it is. So we got the remote events in the events folder, and we're basically gonna use it. So now I'm gonna use it right here before the wait to 0.3. RE fire server, because we are on the local script. We can only send a signal to the server script. We cannot send it to another local script, which is pretty unfortunate, because I kinda don't like it. Roblox should add it, but whatever. Alright, so we're gonna send a signal. So basically what we are gonna send is kinda nothing, because the server don't need anything. It doesn't need a cooldown. So what we can do is local RE equals to dot wait, what? Oh, it doesn't have a tool. I'm stupid. Okay, script dot parent dot events dot remote event dot on server event. So if it receives a signal, it's gonna connect a function. So the local script is gonna send a signal to basically this thing, and then the server is basically every time waiting on this thing until it gets a signal from the server, like no, not from the server, from the client to the server. So that's it. Oh, bro. How long is this video, by the way? Damn, I just need to be quick, I guess. Alright, yeah. I mean, that was it. So, it sent a signal. Alright, I got it. So we're gonna do script.parent. We actually should make a tool variable, but I'm not gonna do that. So script.parent dot handle, which is basically this thing, dot touched. I'm gonna connect a function. So if your sword is actually it has a very weird mesh, and it looks cool, but it's like a stick like this, and then it's like your sword looks like this that you stole from someone else or something. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, your sword looks like this or something, and you miss almost 99% of the time. You can literally add a hitbox. I'm gonna show you how. Like, I'm gonna make a hitbox for this sword. It doesn't even need one, because this has a good handle. Look, this literally has a good handle, but whatever. So so we're gonna go to sword. I'm gonna show you how to make a hitbox. Yeah, let's just steal this one. This one looks cool. Oh my gosh, 10 scripts, bro. Are you serious? Give me the handle. Delete this thing. Yeah, I don't even care about the effects. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I just only want sword. So let's say you have been doing everything on this sword, like the animations and something. You can literally just pretend this sword is that sword, and it has a weird handle. Just insert a part. You cannot just grab it. You need to move it, but we can just put it outside of the tool. So now we can grab it. Gonna go to scale, move, do it like this. Alright, so cool. There's gonna be our hitbox for the sword. Call this part hitbox. By the way, if your sword got a really complicated a thing, and you need to make the hitbox like multiple parts like this or something, you can just select both, union them together, and then name them hitbox. And then put the hitbox inside of the tool. Make the transparency 1. Go A and C again. Can collide off. Now put a weld constraint inside of the hitbox. So we're gonna glue this hitbox to the sword. Make sure it's enabled. I don't know. I always find somehow a way to disable it. Bro, my neck literally hurts. Alright, so the part 0 is gonna be the hitbox, and part 1 is gonna be the handle. So it's basically glued. Alright. Now go to the script. Instead of handle the touch, we're gonna do hitbox. So if the hitbox is touched, we're gonna get the thing that it touched, so hit. So what hit it? The hitbox. It could literally be your own hand or like another block. So we're gonna see if hit and hit. Bro, I don't know why I'm doing this. I just don't want any error, so I'm just doing this. Hit dot parent find for child humanoid. Actually, just delete this part. This is a waste of space, because the hit is always a parent. The hit is inside of the workspace. The parent of the hit is the workspace, but it doesn't have always a find for child humanoid. So you cannot just do dot humanoid. You cannot do that. Alright, so you cannot do dot humanoid because you're assuming it has humanoid, which it doesn't. Here you're looking if it has. If it has a humanoid, we're gonna do oh, bro, stop. Actually, local humanoid. Actually, hit humanoid equals hit dot parent. Yeah, that was it. Bro, stop. This guy. I actually want to disable this. Find for child humanoid again. We know you can literally right now just do dot humanoid, but I'm gonna do it like this. And hit humanoid. Take damage. So we're gonna this is how much damage it's gonna take. We're gonna go to script.parent.values dot damage dot value. So what we basically we click on a script. So how much damage is the humanoid gonna take? So how much damage is basically the thing that hits is gonna take? It's gonna take the script dot parent dot values dot damage dot value, which is equal to 10. So it's gonna take 10 damage. That's basically it. If you change this, it's gonna change to whatever. I actually want to show. So we're gonna do also print. We're gonna also print the amount of damage. If you're stupid, or wait, we can also just print hit humanoid dot health. Capitalize it, health. I mean, yeah. I think that was it for this whole tutorial. If you want me to make a sword with like combos or like idle animations too, where did my sword go? Are you serious? If you want me to make a tutorial about swords with combos and idle animations and stuff, you just comment it down below if you need it, but like whatever. Look. 1 second. Wait, alright, wait, let me fix it. Wait. We also need to enter dbounce right here. Local db equals fouls. What am I gonna do? I actually forgot how to fix this. Oh yeah. If wait. And db equals to fouls. Then what do I do? We're gonna do db equals true. Wait, the amount of seconds. I mean, this is not gonna be cooldown, or is it? No. Huh. Oh wait, I got the mental error because it sends this every time. It's gonna flash multiple times. Nah, we don't need this. We literally just need debounce equals to false and then just true. So it can only activate one time when it's sent, and it's gonna send it every time again and again. Look, oh wait, I know why. You see, so it goes down, but when we actually like kind of load it up, look. So when we hit every time and then we touch someone, that's also gonna do damage. So we need to do that. So how are we actually gonna do it? I've actually I forgot how to do this. I had it in my game. Wait. I remembered. So we're gonna go outside of the function, right? So this is the function outside of it. We're gonna just wait the amount of seconds, like how long you want it to keep the damage when it's touched, if that makes sense. And we're basically just gonna put this again. So after 1 second, if it didn't touch anything, we're still gonna set the debounce to true. So after 1 second, if it still didn't touch anything, it's not gonna do any damage. So look, it's fixed. Now it can only do 10 damage. Yep. Kashim. If you want actually, by the way, also this kind of looks ugly. The 1 second cooldown. We can also. Nah, you know what? I'm not even gonna do. Actually, it's part of the sword tutorial. No, actually, it's not even worth it, bro. I'm gonna tell you need the advanced sword tutorial with combos and idle animations. Alright, so that was it for this video. Yeah, if you found this useful, share it in the comments and bye. Whoa, wait. I actually need to I need to say about you something. There's a war going on, a literal war about subscribers. It's me and just a normal Roblox player. I'm not gonna share this channel in the description. He does not deserve a promotion to gain subs. We have been doing a subscriber war to 100 subscribers. I literally just passed him, like literally today, from 73 subscribers to 76. He has 75 or 74. I'm not even sure. Yeah. I'm just gonna show you. And alright, here we go. I have 2 more subscribers than him. This guy, my man. So we are at his videos. 8 days ago, my guy, you're gonna need to upload to need to upload more. Alright, so this guy has 2 videos. 10 days ago, 3 months ago. Then he has here more videos. Oh, a very good game, bro. A video every month, meanwhile, this like shitty quality, no edits, no anything. Just a bad YouTuber. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. If you're seeing this, you're gonna lose my guy. Then he has like random videos about real life. Meanwhile, it's a Roblox channel. He's flexing his Gucci's to get some. I mean, his car, his Gucci Louis Vuitton car to get a girlfriend, but he's never gonna get one because he's very tall. What does this sound remind you? I'm curious. Nah, I'm not gonna get copyright strike. I'm sorry, man. And then you have me, the ultra massive big brain cool YouTuber. You know, I deserve a subscribe. Because when I have 100 subscribers, I'm gonna launch a Discord channel where we have builders and scripters and gamers. No, actually not. And game testers or something, and then you can be a part of that, and and you can call with people in random group chats. Yeah, just subscribe, man. I'm 67% of the way. I'd buy. Oh wait, stop recording.